There is no city like this in any other world where you watch from one continent to another. While watching the unique beauties and magnificence of Istanbul, the splendor of the minarets of historical mosques reaching into the sky, and the elegance of the bridges that look like embroidery on the Bosphorus. Here, we have compiled the places with magnificent views on the European and Anatolian sides for you. You can subscribe to our channel before watching. Galata Tower. Galata Tower, one of the most historical towers in the world, is one of the most popular places in Istanbul. The reason why the tower attracts so much attention is that it offers a panoramic view of Istanbul when you go to the top, as well as its history. The views of Galata, Golden Horn, Bosphorus, Eminönü, Topkapi and Sultanahmet can be seen easily when you go up to the Galata Tower. Galata Tower is located in the middle of Tunnel and Karakol. You can use the Scenic stop of the Cengelkoy Beach metro line to reach it. Ortakoy. Ortakoy is the center of attention of both local and foreign tourists, and one of the most favorite meeting points of Istanbulites. When Ortakoy is mentioned, the unique view of Kumper and Istiklal Square comes to mind. Just like a postcard, you can watch the Ortakoy Mosque and Bosphorus Bridge, the symbol of the district on the left, the pier on the right, and the Bosphorus and Beylerbeyi Cengelkoy views right in front of you. Ortakoy with a 15-minute walk from Besiktas. Also, all buses from Besiktas to the coastline pass through Ortakoy. Rumeli Hisarüstü. From Ortakoy, we continue forward from the coast. You can walk along the coastline that progresses as Kurasezm, Arnavutköy, Bebek, Rumeli Hisarü. You can enjoy the magnificent Bosphorus by passing by historical mansions and anglers. Being at the last stop of the municipal buses makes transportation even easier. Rumeli Hisarüstü, the place is highly preferred for relaxing and resting the head. Nafi Baba Hill. Nafi Baba Hill, which contains the lodge and tomb of the Bektashi Sheikh Nafi Baba, is located in Rumeli Hisarüstü. You can watch the views of Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge, Khedive Pavilion and Anadolu Fortress from the top. In addition, Nafi Baba Lodge attracts the attention of those who are interested in spirituality, as it is also one of the first dervish lodges of Istanbul. Ulus Park. It is a park located in the Ulus district of Besiktas district of Istanbul. Ulus Park is located on Ahmet Adnan Saygun Street. The park, which is well maintained and green, has a very beautiful view as it is located in a position overlooking the Bosphorus. Sapphire Shopping and Living Center. Shopping malls and skyscrapers in Istanbul, but this time we are not talking about any place. Sapphire Shopping and Life Center has one of the most beautiful viewing terraces in the city. The Skyride 4D Istanbul simulation on the viewing terrace. You can approach many places you want to visit in the city as if they were real, from the Bosphorus to the Maiden's Tower, to the Basilica Cistern in Topkapi Palace. Visiting hours for this experience, located on the 54th floor, are between 10 o'clock and 2200 hours. Suleymaniye Mosque. Suleymaniye Mosque is a unique work built by Mimar Sinan and his team in one of the most beautiful panoramic views of Istanbul. Suleymaniye, which is located on the third hill of Istanbul facing the Golden Horn, has a very special view of its own. Topkapi Palace and Gulhane Park. Topkapi Palace is the most magnificent structure rising from the historic peninsula, and the palace, which dominates the magnificent view of Istanbul. The Mesudai Mansion, built by Sultan Abdülmecid inside the palace, has a terrace overlooking the Maiden's Tower. You can watch the beautiful city from a wide angle from the Karaköy Besiktas line to the islands. Gulhane Park, the old private garden of Topkapi Palace, also offers a view similar to the palace. Of course, the best way to reach the historic peninsula is the tram. You can get off at the Sultanahmet stops for the Topkapi Palace entrance, and at the Gulhane stops for the Gulhane Park entrance, and you can reach the scenic spots by walking. Buyuk Valide Han. In this huge inn, which was built by Kozum Sultan in the 17th century, there are many shops, large and small, that smell of history. You can watch both Galata and Bosphorus in its view. Buyuk Valide Han, located in Eminönü, has become the center of attention with its dazzling view. It was once very popular to take pictures by jumping on the roof of this place. Therefore, collapses occurred on the roof and now the door leading to the roof has been closed. It is normally closed on Sundays, but you can take a short tour with the permission of the guard. You can get off the tram at Eminönü stop, from the metro at the Golden Horn stop, and you can also use sea transportation such as ferry or motorboat. Molla Aski Park Fatih, for itself especially with the Turkish film Mezil series, has a view covering the Balatavansaray ridges, Galata, Sutlus, Camlica, Golden Horn and Fener. We recommend that you stop by Pierre Loti Hill. Pierre Loti Hill, known as the place where the Golden Horn view can best be seen in Istanbul, is located in Ayıp district. Pierre Loti Hill has managed to become one of the most visited places in the city with its facilities bearing the same name as well as its excellent view. Combining the enjoyment of breakfast and coffee with the unique view within the facility gives the visitors good times. If you have watched the beautiful landscapes on the European side, let's look at the wonderful sights on the Anatolian side, and the Maiden's Tower comes first. The historical Maiden's Tower is undoubtedly one of the most important symbols of Istanbul. The Maiden's Tower, about which there are many rumors and the subject of various legends, has been the symbol of love and inaccessibility for centuries. The historical Maiden's Tower, one of the most important symbols of Istanbul, is located in Üsküdar, 150 to 200 meters off Salihli'de. It is also possible to benefit from cafe and restaurant services while enjoying the 360-degree Bosphorus view. It is possible to reach the tower by boats departing from Salihli or Kabadas. There are no chairs in the tea gardens by the sea. You can sit on the cushions and stretch your feet and enjoy Istanbul with bagels and tea. Beykoz Grove. Located in Beykoz district on the Anatolian side, Beykoz Grove is one of the most peaceful places in Istanbul with its clean air and being away from noise. With its unique Bosphorus view and green areas, Beykoz Grove offers a visual feast to its visitors. Beykoz Grove, also known as Abraham Grove, especially on Sundays, it can be evaluated together with the open buffet breakfast offered at Beykoz Koru social facilities. Otagtepe. Otagtepe, located in Kavacık, is in a unique location that offers the beauties of Fatih Sultan Mehmed Bridge to the visitors both during the day and at night. It is a place where you can find peace and quiet with a beautiful view. If you come to Istanbul, I recommend you to go. There are delicious photographic areas. Entry is free. There is a free parking lot inside, but for your information, there is no section such as cafeteria and tea area in the grove. Yoros Hill. Yoros Hill, located in Beykoz, is a place famous for its mausoleum as well as for its view. Yoros Baba tomb on the hill attracts visitors both from within the city and from different parts of Turkey. Also, St. Yoros Hill, where Yusuf's tomb is located, is among the most calm and peaceful places to watch Istanbul. Nakkaştepe. An environment where we can watch the unique view of Istanbul from 80 meters high. It is a beautiful place with a view of the Bosphorus, as it faces the Sırgan Palace and Ortakoy Mosque. I recommend going early on the weekend because it gets very crowded. It is a place where you can drink your tea and have breakfast, but you can bring your own if you want. Entrance fee is 20 TL for cars and 10 TL for motorcycles. Cengelkoy Beach. Undoubtedly, one of the most beautiful views of Istanbul is Cengelkoy Beach. Cengelkoy, where you will come across small fishing boats quite often, is among the most suitable places to take photos. Cengelkoy, which is more enjoyable especially in the evening hours, is a must-visit place in Istanbul. Buy a pie from Cengelkoy Borksizi on the street, and enjoy the view with the tea of Siniraltı. Mihrabat Grove. The Mihrabat Grove, located in Camlica, one of the most beautiful districts of the Bosphorus, allows you to look at the Bosphorus from a different angle. In the grove, the fresh air and the endless greenery were in his head. When you come to Camlica, we say don't forget to eat Camlica yogurt. Aydos Hill. Aydos Hill, with a height of 537 meters, is the highest point in Istanbul. Aydos Castle, Kanaliada, Burgazada, Haybalayada, and Bayukada can be seen easily when you go up the hill. Aydos Hill is one of the most beautiful places in the city for all visitors who want to spend a peaceful time away from the noise. Anatolian Fortress. Anadolu Hisarü is one of the most beautiful districts of Istanbul, located on the Bosphorus shore of the Anatolian side. With its Bosphorus view and its surrounding tea garden, cafes and restaurants, Anadolu Hisarü is one of the must-see places for every visitor to Istanbul. Dragos Hill. Dragos Hill, which is connected to the Kartal district of the city. This hill has a facility operated by the Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality, so the prices are quite affordable. It would not be wrong to say that there is a bird's-eye view of the Sea of Marmara in the landscape. Pensioners, children or young people can find a different kind of pleasure and peace here. Grove of Gözdağı. While this place provides ease of transportation to those living in the surrounding districts, its view consists of the Marmara Sea, the islands, and even Yalova. The presence of colorful flowers and pine trees in the background, especially in the spring months, it can increase your enthusiasm a little more. Gözdağı social facilities, operated by the Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality, have a tea garden. You can also benefit from alternatives such as restaurants, picnic areas, viewing gazebos, and children's playgrounds. Love Hill. With a height of 130 meters, this hill reveals all the beauties of Istanbul. You can be sure that you will be able to come with your spouse, lover, friends and watch the view for hours with conversation. Yoros Castle. It is a unique place with its nature and history where you can see all the bridges of Istanbul. Yoros Castle, which you can only reach with your vehicle, also draws attention with its calmness. You can go and have a picnic by yourself, or you can eat and drink in the cafes there. Emaar Skyview. Emaar Skyview attracts hundreds of landscapers every day. When you climb to the top, you will encounter a view that you have never seen before, and you will feel like taking your breath away. You can watch from a glass floor in the terrace section, which offers unique views for sky lovers. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of our video. If you have a place that we missed or want to add, you can write it in the comments section and you can thank us by subscribing to our YouTube channel.